Okay, it's on. Ready? Do you not like apples and cherries? Evan! Can you smile for the camera? Can you smile for the camera? Say hi! There's a smile. Hi. I don't like apples and cherries. Let's see if we can get this again. Yep, that's a no. Maybe. Good? No? You don't like it? You don't like it at all? No playing. Oops. Yummy? No yummies? Yummies in your tummy? Not really, huh? Want to try it again? Don't play with it. What are you doing with it? No, give it back. Good? Oh, you're making a mess. Look at that. Look at that mess of yours. This is how we wind up with it all over our face, huh? Just like that. Just like that, and then our hands touch our face, and it gets all over. Want to try some more? No. Let go. Good? Yummy? Not really. That's where we get it all over our face. Whoops, sorry. Getting out of control with the camera. Not left-handed either. Check out that angry face. Good? Not really. We'll try again. Yeah, there's a yucky face again. Okay, we're going to turn off the camera and we'll see if we're going to keep eating. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Evan. Say bye-bye. Oh, no.